So everyone, today we have two extraordinary students named Vani and Prince, and the great thing is that they two study in 4th standard. And let's see who is the brilliant between Vani and Prince. So audience, are you ready to enjoy their performance? Really?
Yes, sir.
Come over here, Vani and Prince, clapping for both the kids. Okay, so Prince, are you ready to speak?
Yes, sir.
Really? Vani, are you excited to speak?
Yes, sir.
Do you think you can defeat Prince?
Yes.
Yes. Prince, do you think you can defeat Vani?
Yes.
Wow. So, okay, मैं जा रहा हूँ.
I'm going.
This is the first round that would be based on translation, and then the second round I will be asking you questions that you have to answer. Okay. बच्चे क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं.
Children are playing cricket.
कौन सा टेंस है? Children are playing cricket.
Present continuous.
Present continuous. वहाँ मत जाओ.
Don't go there.
यहाँ आओ.
Come here.
मुझे यहाँ आना पड़ता है.
I have to come here.
I have to come here. आप क्या कर रहे हो?
What are you doing?
What are you doing? बोलो जो आप बोल सकते हो.
Speak. What can you speak?
Speak what can you speak? You speak what you can speak.
Speak what you can speak.
आपको बोलना चाहिए जो आप बोल सकते हो.
You should speak what you should speak.
You should speak what you can speak. मैं नहीं बोल सकता.
I cannot speak.
मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ.
I want to speak.
I want to speak. मैं आना चाहता हूँ.
I want to come.
मैं आ सकता हूँ.
I can come.
मैं आऊँगा.
I will come.
मैं आ रहा
I'm
हूँ.
coming.
मैं मुझे आने दो.
Let me come.
मुझे आने दो.
Let me come.
Let me come. मुझे जाने दो.
Let me go.
Let me go. Vani, you need to speak little bit louder. Okay. Okay. Vani, in which class do you study?
I'm studying 4th class.
And Prince, you?
I study in 4th.
So these two kids are in 4th standard और अपना बेस्ट देकर प्रूव करना है प्रिंस की हमें जीतना है. वाणी बच्चे, वी हैव टू विन. यू गॉट इट. चलो एक रैपिड फायर राउंड हो जाए फटाफट वाला. मैं जा रहा हूँ. मैं जाऊंगा. मैं जा सकता हूँ.
I can go.
वो कौन है?
Who are you?
है. वो कौन है?
Who is he?
Who is he? मुझे नहीं पता वो कौन है.
I don't know who is he.
I don't know who is he. उसे बुलाओ.
Let he
Call
come.
him.
Call.
हैं, उसे मत बुलाओ.
Don't call him.
Don't call him. मैं उसे बुला सकता हूँ.
I can call him.
I can call him. मुझे जाने दो.
Let me go.
आप क्या कर रहे हो?
What are you doing?
क्या वह रवि है?
Is he Ravi?
Is he रवि? क्या रवि आपका क्लासमेट है?
Is Ravi your classmate?
Is रवि योर क्लासमेट? नहीं, रवि मेरा क्लासमेट नहीं है.
No, Ravi is not my classmate.
वो 10th में और मैं 9th में हूँ.
He is in 10th and I am in
9th standard. ओके, वो 10th में और मैं 9th में हूँ. He is in 10th standard and I am in 9th standard. मैं बिजी हूँ.
I'm busy.
मैं कॉलेज में हूँ.
I'm in college.
मैं जानता हूँ आप कॉलेज में हो.
I know you are in college.
I know you are in college. मैं जानता हूँ तुम बिजी हो.
I know you are busy.
I know you are busy. इंग्लिश बोलो.
Speak English.
इंग्लिश मत बोलो.
Don't speak English.
आपको इंग्लिश बोलनी चाहिए.
You should speak
You
English.
should speak English. आपको यहाँ आना चाहिए.
You should come here.
आपको यहाँ आने की जरूरत है.
You need to come
मुझे
here.
आने की जरूरत है.
I need to come
मैं
here.
आ सकता हूँ.
I can come here.
आप कहाँ जा रहे
Where
हो?
are you going?
आप कहाँ जा सकते हो?
Where can you go?
Where can you go? तुम्हें बोलना चाहिए.
You should speak.
तुम्हें बोलने की जरूरत है.
You need to speak.
बोलो.
Speak.
मत बोलो.
Don't speak.
क्या बोल रहे हो?
Can you speak?
Are you speaking? क्या आप सुन रहे हो?
Are you listening?
क्या आप सुन सकते हो?
Can you listen?
Can you listen? Now Vania, this is your turn. Vania, do you watch TV?
Yes, sir.
Say loudly, yes, I watch TV.
Yes, I watch TV.
What do you watch in TV? Cartoons or movies or songs?
Cartoons.
Wow, and what is your favorite cartoon that you like to watch?
Sir, Doraemon.
Doraemon. And do you like Doraemon? Between Nobita and Doraemon, who is your favorite?
Doraemon.
Doraemon is your favorite. And why don't you like Nobita? Okay, do you like Sujuka? Wow. Between Nobita and Sujuka, who is your favorite character?
Shizuka.
Do you think you can speak better?
Yes, sir.
Let's begin. First, let me know, Prince. What is your surname?
My name is Prince Gangrade.
Your surname is Gangrade. Okay, in Khandwa, where do you live?
I live in Lal Chowk in Khandwa.
Oh, at Lal Chowki you live. Very good. And let us know something about your family. Are you from joint family or separate family?
I am nuclear family.
You are from nuclear family. Okay, and what does your father do?
My father is a teacher.
And what does your mother do?
My mother is homemaker.
Homemaker. Between mummy and papa, whom do you love so much?
Both.
You love both your parents. So now there is a competition between Vania and Prince. So Vania, आप माइक में बोलना है ना. प्रिंस की तो वैसी आवाज लाउड है. ठीक है. मैं जा रहा हूँ. मैं जाता हूँ. मैं जा सकता हूँ. आप कहाँ हो? आप कहाँ थे? Where were you? मैं मार्केट में था.
I was in market.
अब मार्केट में क्या कर रहे थे?
What are you doing in market?
What are you कि what were you?
What were you?
हाँ कर रहे थे. What were you doing in market? मैं मार्केट में कुछ काम कर रहा था.
I was doing in the market.
I was doing
Work in
some work in the market. आप मार्केट में क्या काम कर रहे थे?
What are you doing in the market?
What work were you doing in the market? मैं कुछ खरीद रहा था.
I'm buying
I am buying something कि I was buying something.
I was buying something.
कौन सा टेंस है I was buying something?
Past continuous.
Past continuous. तुम्हें वहाँ जाना चाहिए.
You will go there.
वहाँ जाओगे.
You will go there.
वहाँ नहीं जाओगे.
You will
वहाँ
not go
जाने की
there.
जरूरत है.
You need to go there.
You need to go there. तुम्हें आने की जरूरत है.
You need to go there.
मैं आऊँगा.
I will go
मैं आता हूँ.
there.
मैं समझता हूँ.
I
मैं
understand.
समझ सकता हूँ.
I understand.
I can understand. मैं बोल सकता
I can
हूँ.
speak.
मैं बोलूँगा.
I will
मैंने
speak.
बोला.
I spoke.
मैंने नहीं बोला.
I
क्या
did
तुमने
not
बोला?
speak.
क्या तुमने बोला?
Did you speak?
तुमने क्यों बोला?
Why did you speak?
Why did you speak? कौन जा रहा है?
Who is going?
Who is going? Now you don't have to speak. Only Vania will speak. कौन जा रहा है?
Who is going?
Be quiet. कौन जा रहा है?
Who is going?
कौन आ रहा है?
Who is coming?
कौन आ सकता है?
Who can come?
किसे आना चाहिए?
Who's come?
Who should come? मैं नहीं आ सकता.
I should not come.
I cannot. मैं नहीं आ सकता.
I cannot.
मैं नहीं जा सकता.
I cannot.
मैं नहीं जाऊंगा.
I will not.
मैं नहीं जाना चाहता.
I want not.
I don't want to go. बोलो.
I don't want to go.
मैं इंग्लिश नहीं सीखना चाहता.
I don't want to.
लर्न इंग्लिश. आपको इंग्लिश सीखनी चाहिए.
You should speak.
आपको यू शुड लर्न इंग्लिश. आपको इंग्लिश बोलनी चाहिए.
You should speak English.
आपको इंग्लिश बोलने की जरूरत है.
You need.
यू नीड टू स्पीक इंग्लिश. आपको पढ़ाई करने की जरूरत
You
है.
need to.
स्टडी. मुझे पढ़ाई करने की जरूरत है.
I need to.
मैं पढ़ाई कर सकता हूँ.
I can
आप पढ़ाई क्यों कर रहे हो?
Why are you studying?
Why are you studying? आप यहाँ क्यों आ रहे हो?
Why are
आप यहाँ क्यों आते हो?
Why come?
Why do you come here? Vani is a good girl. Yes, Prince. Are you excited to speak?
Yes, sir.
Okay, मुझे जाने दो क्योंकि मैं लेट हो रहा हूँ.
Let me go because I am late.
Because I'm getting late. मेरे पास समय है.
I have time.
मेरे पास समय नहीं है.
I have not time.
मैं बोल सकता हूँ.
I can
मैं
speak.
बोलूंगा.
I will
मैं बोल
speak.
रहा हूँ.
I
मैं
will
बोल
speak.
सकता हूँ.
I
मुझे
can
बोलने
speak.
दो. मैं बोल
Let
रहा
me
हूँ.
go.
मैं जा रहा हूँ. मैं
I'm
जाऊंगा. मैं
going.
जा
I will
सकता हूँ. तुम कहाँ हो?
Where are you?
तुम कहाँ थे?
Where were you?
तुम कल कहाँ थे?
Where were you yesterday?
मैं कल अपने दोस्तों के साथ था. I was with my
And
friends.
yesterday.
तुम अपने दोस्तों के साथ क्या कर रहे थे?
What were you doing with
मैं
your
अपने
friends?
दोस्तों के साथ क्रिकेट खेल रहा था.
I'm playing cricket
I
with
am
my
कि
friends.
I was.
I was playing cricket with my
कौन सा
friends.
टेंस है?
Past continuous.
पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यू. मुझे जाने दो.
Let me go.
मैं जा रहा हूँ.
I'm going.
या बोर्ड है?
This is
या बोर्ड
board.
नहीं है?
This is not
क्या आपने
board.
सुना?
Did you listen?
डिड यू लिसन कौन सा टेंस है?
Past simple.
पास्ट सिंपल. डिड यू लिसन. तूने क्यों सुना?
Why did you listen?
तुम क्यों सुन रहे हो?
By listening.
हाँ. तुम क्यों बोल रहे हो?
By speaking.
ऑडियंस दोनों के लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाए.
The voting. The voting.
ओके. प्रिंस चाहता है कि वोटिंग होनी चाहिए कि वानिया क्या लगता है कि वोटिंग होना चाहिए नहीं होना चाहिए?
होना चाहिए. होना चाहिए.
वोटिंग शुड बी.
Yes.
पब्लिक क्या बोलती है? बोले तो पब्लिक क्या बोलती है? चलो वोट अपील.
Hello everyone, my name is Vani Sharma. Please vote me if you like me.
If you like me, if you like my performance.
If you like my performance.
Yes.
Hello everyone, my name is Prince Gangrade. If you like my performance, please vote me.
Wow. So there is a competition between Vani and Prince. Clapping. Yay.